Hello peoples, welcome back to my channel. It's Sandy and I'm back with another video. So I saw this very weird video of Tirth.
Is telling us that the world is illusion. Brahma is real. And who is Brahma? We are Brahma, meaning / suggesting that human beings are gods.
I don't know how should I feel about it because I just opened the YouTube and I saw the video and I thought that he will be apologizing and he will be taking accountability or कुछ तो वो बोलेगा, but it was such a weird video. I don't know what I should feel. Like I really don't know because मैंने स्टार्ट किया वीडियो एंड पूरा देखना भी इट वाज वेरी मतलब नहीं हो रहा था मेरे से बिकॉज हिज वॉट एवर ही वॉज सेइंग इट वॉज गोइंग इधर उधर सब जगह जा रहा था. ही वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट रिलीजियन, ही वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट ह्यूमंस, ही वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट साइंस, ही वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम कृष्णा टू यशोदा, फ्रॉम इस्लाम टू Albert Einstein to Nikola Tesla and I don't know if it is his strategy to get attention. हो सकता है. It can be a strategy to to divert people's attention because whatever he has done, it's utterly disgusting and he knows that and he just wants to take off the attention by saying these random things because people will start saying अरे ये देखो ये सब बोल रहा है, ये तो पागल है and all, and वहां से लोगों का डाइवर्जन हट जाएगा and they will not talk about that. ये भी हो सकता है या फिर हो सकता है that I think he might have some issues. ये भी हो सकता है because उसका वीडियो देखे थोड़ा weird ही लगता है. I have never followed him but then I saw a video of Shweta जहाँ he was talking about Tirth and it was very weird and he मतलब in his videos he has always been weird. I think a different I think so मतलब जो I think I am not getting it maybe but he has actually a lot of followers on YouTube and Instagram. Maybe it is not in my taste because I'm not understanding because जो मैंने देखा a lot of people are trolling in the comments and it doesn't affect him and it was like okay and I was like yeah मतलब इस ऐसे सिचुएशन के बाद people should be like I have done it or I haven't done it. कुछ तो बोलो, कुछ तो you say, but he has taken a different kind of route. मतलब ये उसका PR हो सकता है, ये उसका strategy हो सकता है या फिर ये भी हो सकता है he might be going through some issues because we don't know लोगों के लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है क्या नहीं चल रहा है. We don't know. मतलब ऊपर का देख के हम लोग इतना हार्श हो जाते हैं, इतना जज करने लगते हैं, इतना टॉन्ट करने लगते हैं, इतना ट्रोल करने लगते हैं ना. तो वी डोंट नो, मे बी ही इज गोइंग थ्रू समथिंग, मे बी हो सकता है ये कुछ सिम्टम्स भी हो. I was seeing a video jahan he was like someone was roasting him and actually someone wrote ki like he is actually showing symptoms of paranoid schizophrenia and I kid you not, I relate to this very personally because I know I have dealt with this kind of a patient and I still deal with this kind of a patient, so I know how sensitive it can be. So I just hope agar if he is going through some issues then I hope ki matlab attention mil jaye and he gets treated and everything because it is very sensitive. Mental health and mental issues ko leke I am personally very sensitive because I relate to it very on a personal and on a very deep and emotional level. So I hope कि ऐसा ना हो और अगर ऐसा हो भी तो he gets all the attention that he needs. But अगर ये उसका PR है and उसका strategy है then it is very भद्दा strategy because you are a grown man, you're 23 years old and you should take accountability for whatever you have done. अगर तुमको लगता है ये सब करके तुम लोगों का मतलब डाइवर्ट कर सकते हो, लोग उतने बुद्धू होते नहीं है। आजकल के ऑडियंस बहुत स्मार्ट है। हाँ, पहले पहले पीपल कैन गेट मैनिपुलेटेड, बट देन आफ्टर सम टाइम पीपल विल अंडरस्टैंड। एंड अगर like an audience and people and society in general are like very aware, I think मतलब आजकल की दुनिया में aware होना भी चाहिए, like whatever is happening and you should be mindful कि क्या चल रहा है क्या नहीं चल रहा है। So अगर ये उसका PR है then it's very bhatta, and I did not get his video, whatever he was all over the place. I seriously did not get it. Maybe I'm not into that intellectual level. Maybe I'm not that intelligent like he is, but I did not get it. But after what he has done, he should have said sorry and should have taken accountability for whatever he has done. I am just सरप्राइज दैट नथिंग हैपेंड अगेंस्ट हिम। मतलब ये एक जोक को लेके इतना कुछ हो गया, और दिस गाय वॉज एक्सपोज्ड ऑन द इंटरनेट, एंड देयर वॉज दिस अदर गाय ऑल्सो, आई डोंट नो, some influencer or some bodybuilder. I don't know him, I don't know his content. मुझे YouTube से ही पता चला कि this guy has also done these kind of stuff. So मतलब हम लोग को पता नहीं चलता है कि हम लोग जिनको इतना मतलब आइडियलाइज करते हैं, एंड देन जब ये सब बाहर आता है देन वी आर लाइक व्हाट। सो आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन लाइक दिस, लाइक मतलब इन्फ्लुएंसर्स या फिर बॉलीवुड एक्टर्स एंड ऑल, हाँ दूर से देखो, यू एडमायर देम एंड ऑल, बट उनको वो पेडिस्टल में मत चढ़ाओ, बिकॉज दे आर ऑल्सो ह्यूमंस, दे ऑल्सो हैव फ्लॉज, यू डोंट नो कि एज अ पर्सन हाउ दे आर. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say, and do let me know what are your thoughts in the comments, and if you agree with me or don't agree with me, and do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.